Hey Mike, it's great being with you today. Thank you for your time. Just wanted to do a quick recap of what we talked about with our agency autopilot program. We talked about really, I feel like the best fit would be for these two different buckets here. This is not going to be the perfect video, but if you have any questions, obviously you can reach out, let me know. Um, with the two buckets, we're looking at the policy checking and also the policy quoting. And so I'll provide an email with you that will just go over more of those fine details regarding each of the different aspects of those buckets. With that, you're looking around a 2% premium fee. So you're, based off of a book size around 800,000, which is what you mentioned, you'll be looking about 3,133 monthly for us to manage and do that work for you. And there's a one-time setup fee of 1,200. Now we do have an Easy Links team that is ready to get rolling with you. They have capacity for one more agency. And I do have a call later this week with an agent that's around 2 million premium that's also in Easy Links. So if we don't get this going by Friday, I'm sure they probably will. So that might be something that you'll want to look into as far as, getting that team established. Now, if you can't sign up by the end of this week, no big deal. I just want to find a good team that's the best fit for you. As far as next steps from here, you can just give me the thumbs up and we can jump on a call. I'll send you over the service agreement and we can really from there prepare your intro call with the service manager. Let me know if you have any questions. We look forward to work with you. Thanks, Mike. Goodbye.